All right, this is the Briggs and Stratton Vanguard Single Cylinder OHV Air Cooled Engine Service Manual. Oops, sorry about that. So this manual covers, this is like the factory service manual, and it is 281 pages. And you can see that each section right here is engine maintenance, fuel and oil recommendations, engine oil, section troubleshooting. So that's going to be in this section. Section 2 is going to be your troubleshooting. Section 3 is going to be your engine section. Blower housing removal, bracket removal, engine baffles, exhaust system, fuel system is going to be your fuel system section. Is going to be number 6 is governor system and lubrication systems, pistons, engine file, engine specifications, and references. And the let's see. Troubleshooting, electrical test equipment, alternator test, electrical components, could choose a battery, rocket switch. All right. And go ahead and download, to download this manual right now, just go ahead and click the link below.